Yep, another Palaeolithic headstone. I was right. Same as last time, I was right. All these rocks around. I think this one's got a bit more detail on it. Well, again, it's on the camera. And maybe because it's late afternoon, it might help. So you turn around. And now I'm using a big camera, which I don't even know how to use. I think it's recording, I think it says it's recording, there's a dot up there. But I'm going to make one with a smaller one, just to be safe, because I'm used to it. I did buy another camera. Tried it. Don't use it. Oh! Muscles. And then. Sorry, let's get loose that. Maybe this one will show more on it, but I'm doing in this big, so it's not for emailing or whatever setting it is. Maybe it might make a difference, I don't know. But yeah, this is another Palaeolithic headstone, and yes, it's the same shape as the others, but the other one was made out of stone, which I think the youngsters made it. They're allowed to make it out of cement and stone. And the elders made them out of these, carved them out of these. And of course, of course the carving's going to wear away out in the weather underground for 100,000 years. That's why we need these professionals who know how to do this and bring them out, because they're worn down. But people like me can't get them. What I need is these photographers or whatever you want to call them, and they're studying all these computer things that do all this sort of stuff. Is at college. And they can do all this. Can you imagine if they brought all this out? How they would make history. You're getting bitten left, right and centre here. Like bugs. Eh? Many scientists have done that, haven't they? Young scientists proved the older scientists wrong. And they have come famous. Absolutely famous. Can you imagine that? It does happen. They're saying these never existed. Well, here's the proof now. Oh, you have letters after his name, he'd be famous and writing books. What does that look like? Oh, let's put that down there. I don't know, from here, I don't know, I've got my glasses edge stretched or whatever. It's a bit prehistoric to me. But, yeah, this is another Palaeolithic headstone. There are things that are carved into it. Like I said, 100,000 years out in the weather, the rain and wind and God knows what. So if there is any of these young college students, university, whatever, doing all this, they can bring up this and show it, show the detail, because there is detail on these. But if you saw these, you'll see it through the camera, but like recording doesn't always bring it up. And you imagine you proved them all wrong, hey? You'll rewrite part of history. Anyway, move from that one. The headstone. Starting to rain. It's been hot, muggy, sweating. And these ones that lay round the grave. Well, you'll see some of the carvings on here. When the videos are done, I just delete them. Trying all different ways. See, this is off the video that well, I found the Palaeolithic medium-sized rocks covered over, and I just uncovered them for another time, and it looks like a mini Stonehenge was there. And like I said before, with the other ones like them, they're in a line, they lead down to the other one, which is the big rock. They all lead down to that. Oh, it's just coming out. Now I'm going to make a move home. I've been out here a long time. I've had a good day of finding new ones because I only come out for a walk. Which I should get the videos on tonight. I'm not going to turn these over now. But, I want to show you is I won't it. Oh, war wound. Right. This is when I did come back here. Oh. So look at it. Put it on this side. You can't see the rain on my camera, but I can. Everything's come out because I get fed up of it. And there we go. The headstone they put up here. And like the other one, it's usually a face on the end. On the end there. Have a person's face. That one seems like it's usually on the front. And then they have carvings down here like the other one. I try to bring it up. It's like they've got buildings and things like that. And some woman with like the sun coming out of her around her head and things like that. But they just don't show up. I'm trying to make the most of this now because I won't video it again. Not as I know of, unless I try different lighting, which I've tried thousands of different lights. Well, not thousands, all different types. You won't believe it. Even night vision, infrared. Anyway, close to this one as well, a discovery again. Where's my stick? Let's have a look. Hello. Look at that. Hello. It's, oh yeah, there you go, look at the ground. This is what I've been looking for today. Things like this. Mind this thing keep dropping in the way. Oh, come here. Yeah. Right, see if we do it. You can tell I'm an amateur. I'm trying to take the hat off. That strap somewhere. Right, now I can't see the bloody camera. Right. Another one. I reckon there's another Palaeolithic burial. Oh, here. Oh, get it. Ouch. Ouch. Ow. Right. See? Starting to pop up now. And there must be more around here. Especially that little Stone Age one, if you've seen the other video. Here you go, look, I'm starting to dig. Trying to, I can't reach with a stick out there, but trying to. I don't want to move it too much. But I'm just trying to show you. Anyway, so you've seen that bit, discovery, and let's see, nice little curved bits, those bits. Just so you get the idea of this one before I have a look, and we find another Palaeolithic headstone. It's not you, is it? Usually about the same length, all about the same length, and the ones where they made, the ones they lay round them as a gift, instead of laying flowers, seems like they made these and done carvings in them, which has faded over the years, but they're still there. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. That's ancient rock art Britain.